Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to Low Tommy C. I'm your host, Tommy Cunningham. Today's video, what we are planning to talk about is a little bit about the latest radio frequencies that are from all around, and we go find out what the different radio stuff is inside the United States. It's like number one, the bestest radio frequency you guys can listen to. Like when you guys are inside a park, you guys can listen to their FRS and GMRS radios. Because FRS and GMRS radios are those little blister pack. Okay? So then after that, you guys got kind of like some different options for using number one the different radio frequencies. Number two is using several different areas. Number two, you guys can find major different stuff when you guys go to a theme park. You guys can find stuff at theme parks number one, you guys can go find out what your favorite food is, because sometimes they got barbecue, sometimes they got different stuff, sometimes they it's then after that you guys got 4 different areas you guys can go to, which are my favorite areas. You guys got once you guys get to the park, you guys have to pay your tickets. Number 2, what my favorite thing to do is number two is going around the different areas. Number 3, it's then after that.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change.
After that, you guys got kind of several different areas, and after that, once you guys pay the tickets, pay for the tickets and stuff. It's then after that. But then after that, you guys got like like a couple different options for like it's like then after that you guys got my favorite area, which is like the food, the rides. Some theme parks would let you guys bring walkie-talkies, but some of them use like DMR radios, and I kind of wouldn't recommend you guys bring like walkie-talkies to like a full theme water park. Maybe SeaWorld would be a good idea, maybe Walt Disney World, because those parks are really big. You guys may lose your family. Luckily, we got phones. It's like then after that. It's like then after that you guys got a couple different areas which are kind of like some good areas which I think like number one is using like the several different areas that they have. Number two, number two is like helping out like at the different fronts. Number three, if they got like several different radio stuff. But it's like then after that,
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
you guys got a couple different areas that I would recommend that new people go to. Like number one is use like several different radio frequencies. Like like if you guys go like looking around like at like the different places you guys got like number one like different radio frequencies. Like number two is like listening to like your different areas. It's like then after that, so like kind of like my favorite areas that I would recommend if you guys are ever in the mood, I would recommend you guys check out like like the different walkie-talkie areas. Like number two is like using like what like using like the several different areas, like 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 sometimes theme parks have several different radio frequencies. Like Walt Disney World has like their own public safety radio frequency. They also got their own like different stuff that they use. Now Universal Studios Orlando, they got like their own radio frequencies, but they are so high tech, you guys would not even believe, okay? Plus, like, honestly, like, my experience, like, listening to, like, several different radio frequencies, like, inside an airport, you guys need, like a P25 scanner or like a Motorola capable scanner, because those will give you guys the bestest opportunity of like listening to like the different radio stuff. But it's like also, it's like then after that you guys got like, it's like then after that you guys got like my favorite areas to go to like inside, if you guys don't have like a water park, my main areas are to like using like different stuff. It's like then after that, but it's like then after that you guys got like a couple of different ideas which are good, but honestly, listening to like the different radio frequencies. Last night I was listening to like Starkrilla. I was listening to like a couple of airport radio frequencies. I was listening to like some different airports. Like like honestly I was listening to like a lot and a lot and a lot of different like airports. And honestly, getting to listen to these airports, sometimes the airport runways use like departure and arrival. And I honestly think those are some of the bestest ones. Alright, guys, that's it for today's video. If you guys liked it, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up. And make sure you guys smash that subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel. Goodbye.